Hi, I'm your L'Oréal Professional Educator. At L'Oréal Professional, we have the Absolut Repair Molecular. This unique family is one of our major innovations. Its mission is to repair the internal structure of very damaged hair. It helps to restore the initial shape and movement of the hair and helps fight up to 2 years of damage. Absolut Repair Molecular recreates peptide bonds in the hair. To achieve this, we use up to 2% peptide bonds combined with 5 amino acids naturally present in the hair. The range contains 4 products. The sulfate-free cleansing cream gently cleanses and prepares the hair. The rinse-off serum acts deeply by injecting a high amount of active ingredients. It's important to saturate it well, and you can leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing it. The rinse-off mask gives softness and suppleness to the hair while being very light. Then finish with the leave-in mask. Its role is to lock in the benefits of the serum while offering heat protection of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Get ready to repair your hair.